In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz using NotebookLM. NotebookLM is Google's AI research and thinking partner, and it can turn your existing notes into quick, targeted quizzes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a polished quiz that matches your time, topic, and difficulty needs. Start by opening your browser and searching for NotebookLM. In the results, select the official Google NotebookLM page labeled AI Research Tool and Thinking Partner. That takes you to the home page where you'll click Try NotebookLM. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on the workspace where your notebooks live. Choose one of your existing notebooks. A notebook is where your sources, notes, and references are stored, and NotebookLM uses that content to generate quiz questions. Picking an existing notebook ensures your quiz is grounded in the material you actually care about. If you keep focused notes, like a single chapter, unit, or topic in one place, you'll get cleaner, more relevant questions. Inside the notebook, look for the quiz option and open it to edit. This brings up the customization panel where you control the structure and feel of the quiz. Think of this area as your command center. You'll set how many questions you want, how hard they should be, and what the topic will cover. Start with the number of questions. You'll see options like fewer, standard, and more. Fewer is perfect for warm-ups, exit tickets, or quick comprehension checks. Standard fits most practice sessions and homework-style reviews. More is best when you have extra time or want a thorough study set. Pick the amount that fits your schedule and the depth you're aiming for. Next, choose the level of difficulty, easy, medium, or hard. Easy leans on recall and straightforward definitions. Medium mixes recall with understanding and light application. Hard pushes analysis, nuance, and multi-step reasoning. Match this to your audience. Beginners usually benefit from easy or medium, while advanced learners may appreciate a tougher challenge. Now set the topic. In the topic field, clearly describe what the quiz should cover. Short, specific phrases work best. Name the chapter, concept, or theme, and include key terms. If your notebook spans multiple areas, point the quiz to the exact section you want assessed to keep the questions on target. When everything looks good, click Generate. NotebookLM will build a quiz from your notebook and your choices. Review the results, and if it feels too long, too easy, or off topic, tweak the settings and generate again. That's all it takes to create a tailored quiz with NotebookLM.